if he has given the problem, he has a solution to it. Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I really wanted to complete all that was left about her story, about her entire time of pregnancy. So little bit of thing was still left. I had told in a video that I would be telling you the entire story, how we went to visit her and what happened. So let's get started. Me and mom, actually we had planned to visit her because
Yeah, actually I was not feeling good, and
Yeah, and
like
then-
hota hai na ki you wanted your own, like who have been from the long time, so obviously it's your mom and your siblings, so I just
yeah, so once she told us and we were right there. Okay, we were at her place. We were at her place, and
then mom bought for me all the sort of things that I wanted to eat during my pregnancy, like all those
yeah, you kind of
pita.
have the craving, you know. And her favorite is pita. But what we make, how we make is we
Dal
make the
pita.
dal. We put dal inside. In Bengal, no, they put khoya and all that.
Khoya.
So what we do, we put dal, lesin, and then we boil it. So that is called. It has very good taste, no?
Yeah,
So everything she packed, mom, because
dal
she had to.
puri, then there was besan ka sabji. I literally ate everything.
Like,
And I
there was like 10 pieces of thing for her pita, and she completely ate everything.
No, I ate 4 to 5 pieces of it.
No, 6, 7, so you ate only. Okay. Yeah, so she ate that. And then she also had an appointment, right? He had a doctor appointment because the doctor had told, like, if there would be some movement and all, so visit me, like, anytime you feel like. And you should be, precautious enough, because you can never take a risk. Like, kuch bhi ho raha hai, you'll have to run to the hospital because you never know, right?
Yeah, doctor told me, like, before 2 days only I had gone, doctor said, like, if you ever feel like there is no moment at all, just come. So the moment, like, I was irregular from quite long only, like from 1 week it was irregular only, but the thing was that when you have a big stomach, people tell that your moment slightly goes down than the normal. It shouldn't stop, but if you have a normal, like, but yeah, they say that you have to keep a count in 2 hours you should have like 10 movements. Yeah, so obviously I wasn't being able to track that, but yeah, moments बहुत rare होने लगा था, and then I was like कुछ तो दिक्कत है. And although I told my husband, actually he was going to get my report only, so I told I'll go with you. So he was like okay, then report दिखाना ही था, तो हम लोग सोचे कि मतलब even I'll go and show, because I wanted
Yeah,
her to
and
inspect that कि if सही है सब कुछ है कि नहीं.
Yeah, at that time only we had arrived, so I was like, even I'll come with you to the hospital.
Yeah, it's you,
So-
and you only you came.
Yeah.
She, me, and my husband.
It was just about 10 minutes, and we're like, just let's go, come,
Let's
and then
go
we'll
check
go to eat something, no, out kind of
Yeah.
thing. And then
And that the doctor was also taking so long. I was literally waiting from like 2 hours, I guess, approx. No.
yeah, the doctor was in OT, I think, no?
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, so what happened is everything was fine, okay, and then we were like laughing, giggling, and
Yeah.
stuff like that, joking around. I'll also put a picture where actually I'm taking the stethoscope and I'm listening to the thing.
We were all having fun, like all.
Yeah, we were all having fun, and then the time comes when she enters the
Doctor's chamber.
doctor's chamber, and then even I go with her, right?
Yeah.
And doctor checks, rechecks, and everything. Everything is fine, normal. But there was like she couldn't. Even the
She
doctor
couldn't-
couldn't feel the
Heartbeat of the baby. Yeah.
movement and heartbeat of the baby. So everyone was concerned, and everyone was like, this is an emergency situation, and we
Then
have
she
to
put her like जो machine होते हैं ना heartbeat, like just doubler I guess that's called. Then she could hear. It was like very normal, the heartbeat of the baby and all. Then she told your stomach is tight, so मतलब पता नहीं, it's been like from very past months your stomach is being tight, तो तुम मतलब it's the time now you'll decide कि करवा लेना है तो सही रहेगा and all. Okay.
Yeah, it was like on point decision you have to make whether to do it or not, no? And then we call, and then everything happened, and then we were
my husband
also in
also was-
shock,
yeah.
like the hell?
My husband was like, आज हो सकता है ना, and that day was a Purnima day, and that was like a good day only. तो बुध पूर्णिमा था, I guess. And then he said, and then doctor also said, हाँ अच्छा दिन है करवा ले. And doctor was की ready कि C-section ही कर देंगे because I'll not be able to bear the pain and all. ऐसे पहले only she planned to do C-section only, but then we were like, नहीं, no, we'll do normal and all. Then the doctor okay said she'll check me and all. Then she asked me, she checked me and then she was like, हाँ हो जाएगा. But when she gave me the medicine, the pain नहीं हुआ. The liver जो pain होता है ना, because वो
Yeah, they give you some, मतलब they give you a shot kind of.
not sure they, in the water ना जब पानी चढ़ता है like in the bottle they put that injection of the pain because पहले के ज़माने में they used to the labor used to initiate at home only and they should go to the hospital हो जाता था बच्चा. But nowadays they induce labor. You cannot मतलब बहुत लोगों को नहीं होता है labor मतलब pain. They induce labor and then you have pain then they give you normal delivery. And जब normal
Everything is so changed. Like past, if you see, ancient time and all, like not very ancient. You just see like our mothers and grandmothers.
like just play the
They
20 years
They
late.
used to work like household work, and suddenly the pain arises and the baby is out. Like that simple thing it was.
Yeah.
Now it's being so complicated. I don't know what. There might be so many reasons because
of the
what we
food.
eat, what we intake matters a lot. So I think that's the main issue because old age, I think they only ate natural food like fruit and vegetables from trees, no hybrid, no pesticides, no harmful chemicals used in it. So I think that also
And they
matters a
stayed
lot.
on soil. They literally we are now staying on the tiles, marble, but they stayed on a soil. They get that B12. We are all having medicines of B12, vitamin D. They used to work in the sun. They never needed all
Yeah,
this.
like especially Indian people, when we see like they had this thing when they say okay, this is my home, they literally had mud, and every day we do pocha with the water and Lysol stuff like that. They used to do it with gobar. Then like it has so much good.
It has antibacterial property, gobar.
Yeah, and
It's
it has
like
so many benefits like to it.
there were no
So-
mosquitoes and stuff and all this with this gobar ka polish.
So that was the thing. That's why I think everything was very natural. Everything was very painless in those days, and but
Yeah.
now it's like
So I had to get induced to my liver was not being induced. Okay, obviously the medicine. And then क्या हुआ ना कि मेरा when she gave me the liver medicine, the heartbeat of my baby started to fall. So जब गिरने लगा then it was an emergency situation कि अब मतलब normal delivery का chance 0 है. If you still want to take risk, you will also die.
Yeah,
The
and
baby
I
also will
remember
also die.
it was 11:40, and within 5 minutes you had to take the decision because they didn't want the next day because it was kind of it's just a belief of old people like it was not a good day or something like that.
No, it was not. It was like Purnima.
13th, no, it was 13th of May. So 13th, the date.
3 आता है. 3 is like
Yeah,
Purnima
and
is
they
a
didn't
good
want
day.
the next day because it was 13th. So 13th, most of the people believe that it's a bad number, and
No, but if it had it been normal delivery, then it would go on 13th. Nothing such like that. Okay, just that it was
Yeah.
Purnima. People wanted it early. Now, if we have to go for a C-section only, then why to? मतलब जब इतना डिले क्यों करना है?
we had to take the decision in 5 minutes, and then we called up her father-in-law, and then we were like, this is the situation, what should we do and all. The baby is in critical condition and we have to take the decision. And then he was like, yeah, whatever is benefit for both mother and the child, do that only. If the doctor is saying go for it, there's no problem in it. So they were very cool and everything. And then she went to OT, and we all were so scared, like what the hell is going to happen and all that. We're just praying and praying and praying and praying, and praying works. Like guys, if you don't believe in prayers, I think there is some power which
Okay, I'll
guides us.
definitely want to
and-
say this. Okay, like when I went to OT, you know what? The scaredness, no, like you're gonna get cut and all, everything vanishes. You just want your baby to be safe. I don't know how, like a little injection would hurt me so much, and I was so ready for like, cut though, so ready, like cut me, but just my baby should be fine. And when they give you that, anesthesia, epidural बोलते हैं ना, नहीं anesthesia ही बोलते हैं, on the spine you get when you are going to have a C-section, and then that time your full half body is numb, but you are wide awake, you know, and everything you can hear, but you know,
Yeah, I heard it talking literally. They were operating and everything, and like I told, I also saw the YouTube video how they do C-section. They take up the entire stomach and then again clean it up, and everything was going on, and she was continuously talking. She was like, "Is it fine? How's my baby? What is it?" And she didn't.
You heard it.
Yeah, I was hearing everything, and then she didn't say what is it, girl or boy. She just said, "How is he? Everything. How is the baby? Everything is fine." And we didn't know the gender unless and until the operation was over.
Yeah.
Actually, we didn't know the gender, you know, and then we forgot to ask. Like we were just concerned about the operation. How is it going to be? And then suddenly everything was over. Your operation was over.
Yeah, then I asked my
No,
doctor.
it was going
like,
on. Stitching was going on. Then your mother-in-law asks like, "What is it?" Then Aditya Jiju and we were like, "Oh, we didn't ask the gender." And then we went and then we said, "What is it, boy or girl?" And then they were like, "Boy." We're like, "Oh, okay." And then the nurse was also showing us like, "See, it was a very critical condition. If you guys would not have taken the decision, the baby would actually have a critical thing, matlab injury, because the umbilical cord was wrapped around his neck, and little bit of delay would lead in a more bad condition. So I think we did a good thing by
But I
taking
had
the
asked the
decision.
doctor, like, मतलब बहुत देर के बाद I asked how is the baby and everything. I had asked her, then doctor, is it a girl or a boy? Then she says it's a boy, and I was like, I didn't know how to react.
Yeah, okay, this is also good. Once she had gone for checkup, and then and the actual doctor who was looking after her throughout the pregnancy, she was like, "Oh, yeah, your baby is fine. She's doing good, and everything is good. Slowly and gradually, she's developing her hands and legs and everything." And by mistakenly, the words she had come out from her mouth, so we all thought it was it was a female. And then we were so happy. We started,
Purchasing things.
Vaishnavi actually, she started purchasing things, of cute, baby
Girl stuff, yeah.
girl
Or
stuff.
till now I have that pink
Yeah,
wrapping thing.
even
I use it.
she's all planning. Okay, we'll dress her up like this and like that. Everything was all sorted, and suddenly this thing turned into a thing. That's fine. Next baby she's gonna have girl. Okay,
I'm not planning. As like how much I've gone through now, like I really don't have that guts of planning another baby.
yeah, I think one is fine. In this generation, itna hustle hai, itna sara population control. I think you should be precautious. Thanks to Shiva for controlling.
Oh, sorry.
So this was the entire story that we wanted to tell. It could have been more interesting because live it was like straight out of a movie, can say, like so much drama and so much.
And literally, no, I'll say you
conditions.
after that, like it takes a week for your wound to heal. So my son was also in that an ICU for like 8 days, no? So we all
yeah.
were praying and
Oh yeah, after we were so happy, everything's fine, and then it was said also by tomorrow everything gets okay, you'll be discharged, like the kind of. And then suddenly they told us that the baby's blood count is low, lymphocyte or something is low. We need a donor and all that.
He was B negative, by the way.
And-
He is B negative, and we doing.
And everything, we at least did the blood test because the doctor had told we at least did the blood test 5 times, of the baby. Because nobody was believing if the mother was B positive, the father is B positive, certainly the baby will be a B positive. But Raghav is B negative, and uska to wo kam tha, and they told us that इसको donor चाहिए because they would extract the lymphocyte ही था ना, I don't know,
Platelets.
yeah, blood platelets, yeah. They would extract
they
it from
need
the blood,
blood,
so we
yeah.
need a B negative blood donor.
Yeah, we
And that was around 1 o'clock at night when he was just born. No. Next day they, when they checked his entire, routine checkup they did, then they realized this is very low. Like it had to be 3 lakh or something, and he was like 40,000. So that was a major concern, and it was 2 o'clock at night, and then we're going on calling people like, do you have this? Do you have this? No blood camp. What blood bank? What is it? Yeah, blood bank.
के पास था भी तो expired था because nobody needs it. It's rare blood.
Yeah, no blood bank had it, and then one final Amit Jiju had connected a person, and he had, and they got 2 units or
they
something.
were like our मतलब हम लोग के customer के relation में कोई था.
And then they had 2 units, so finally we got, and suddenly when
half was चढ़ाया था platelets, and then it decreased again. The blood test was taken, decreased. Then they decided we will not put the platelets, so again they took another count, another blood test, and it started increasing. So doctor told also कि if we would not put this blood plate, maybe it would fall more than what it fell. It had just fallen little bit it fell from whatever normal, but it didn't increase also. But doctor told कि if हम लोग नहीं डालते तो और भी गिर सकता था. तो मतलब it was good only. So we don't know actually it was good for the baby or it was not. So one doctor was there, Saroj doctor, he said that if he is not having clotting, why are we putting platelets? Why are we infusing platelets in him? Oxygen level was going on falling, so the doctor also was like, I was like, why they're not letting me see? It was 3 days, okay, like ho gaya tha, I had not seen my baby, and I was like, no, I want to see my baby. Then they said ki, okay, go and see. Then I went and saw his oxygen was falling like 60 tha, 60, 50, 65 and all T or low. It was like मतलब क्या बोले, it was just so, I was so क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Yeah, for a mother it's very hard for to see.
Then I was like, doctor, why is it like this? And he said, the doctor was saying, I'm trying. We are awake till 3 a.m. in the morning. We are trying. We are doing. We are trying, like this kind of thing. And obviously that's scary, now when they say we are trying and we are doing. हम लोग ऐसे थे तो बहुत like I got very scared and all that. I was crying. I was like, then I told my baby, what's wrong with you? You're brave. Come on. You survived 9 months in my stomach. Why can't just get up now? Everybody's waiting for you. I told and I felt he was hearing, and then mom told me just go and touch him. So obviously I didn't feel cleaned, so I didn't feel like touching him, so I just touched his feet and I said like some mantra like Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatma Pratakleshnashaya Govindaya Namo Namo, and his oxygen started getting high. Guys, I really don't know how. I believe in Krishna a lot, okay?
So see, I don't know people
that moment, and my baby used to be alone out that time because in ICU में कोई था भी नहीं. All baby used to come go ऐसे, but only my baby was for 8 days.
Yeah, for 8 complete days. And I remember we had a small bed, me and mom, however we slept there, like 8 days. They were telling me to go back to the house, but I don't know, I didn't feel like, I just felt like वो बस ठीक हो जाए, and then सब लोग साथ में घर में चले, So that was,
she did a very great job. Like she was so good. Like from every scratch she did of mine, everything for the baby. So she's
still, you don't value me.
I value her the most, and my husband, he's like, Himani बहुत करती की है and all. We'll give her something when she'll get married. Only that he'll give the dialogue.
When she'll get married?
Yeah.
I'm not going to get married anytime soon. Oh, whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, what I was saying is, so that's the story. If we get more, we'll share with y'all. So this was the incomplete
but I want to
thing.
Say, I want to give a hope to a mother who also see their child suffering. Just pray and leave everything on God, because He is the Rakshak. Because
if He has given the problem, He has a solution to it. So your duty is to believe in Him, pray to Him, and ask forgiveness, thank Him later when everything gets fine. So that is it. I think that's very powerful. People don't believe, but I believe in powers, and I believe in all that thing. So this was the story we wanted to share. If we have some other story, I will definitely share. We'll also do a day with Raghav, what all we do, how he copes up with us, and what is his routine. So maybe tomorrow I'll do that. So for now I'll be going. So bye, take care, and see her in next vlog because she'll be leaving soon. Bye bye.